what you need to make microwave cocoa. Okay, you need milk, 4 cups of milk. I'm making it for 4 people. You also need 8 tablespoons of sugar and 8 tablespoons of cocoa. And if you see this, that's great. Cacao. And you need 8 1/4 vanilla extracts. Normally I have to use McCormick, but this will suffice. Okay, let's get started. It says I'm supposed to do 8 tablespoons of sugar. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. That means I can only have 3 for 3 people. So, oh, okay. So I might just need to do 6 to the 8. Let's see. If I have enough cocoa, then we'll put 2 more tablespoons of sugar. So it's going to be 1, 2. If you notice, I'm using a side to measure it out. 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think I do have enough for 8. 7, 8. So, well, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm gonna pour a little sugar in here. So I don't want to get my sugar mixed with cocoa. And I'm gonna add 2 more. 1 and 2. And I made 8 tablespoons of sugar and 8 tablespoons of cocoa. So the next thing is vanilla extracts. I have to do 1/4 tablespoons. Let me see. It'd be funny I don't have enough for tablespoons. Let's say 1 teaspoon. What did it read? I can't see this stuff. Okay, 1/4. I can barely see it. So it should be enough. So I need 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. But what I'm gonna do before I do it, I'm gonna blend it. I should have used a bigger bowl, but I didn't. But I need to, because I can't imagine 4 tablespoons in here. So we're gonna upgrade to the steel cooking bowl. See, I blended it together. Blend it together. And what I'm gonna do is close the sugar up. So I put it up. Set it aside. I put the cocoa up. Did I put the vanilla extract? Yep, I did the vanilla extract. I got a mess, I gotta clean up. But I'm gonna use this, because this should be enough. I always rinse out my container prior to use. So, what it calls for is 4 cups of milk. But I'm gonna go in and gradually beat this in here. Get all the scrapings out. I should have used this at the beginning of December, but I didn't. Because end goal was just to do maybe 3 or 2 for 2 people. These make large mug size drinks, so I'm doing it for 4 people. So it's safe. But I have one person, he'll eat up the drink all of it by himself if we don't correct them. Okay. 4 cups of milk. 1, 2, 3. You know I'm giving it all. And 4. I'm not cheating it. And I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator so it can remain chilled. And I'm just gonna push this around. Just a little. And the microwave is gonna do the rest. But I wanna go in and mix it and blend it as much as I can. Because it's called microwave chocolate milk. Homemade chocolate milk. And I think this is why I did it. I just know this is why I did it, because I knew that I needed a plastic bowl that'll fit in the microwave. Now, this is the kicker. I know that it's for 4 people, and so I'm doing it in the microwave. So everybody's microwave is created equally, different watts and everything, so you may still have to monitor. But for 4 people, for mug size, for this amount of ingredients, which is 8 tablespoons of sugar, 8 tablespoons of cocoa, 100% cocoa, and 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extracts, and 4 cups of milk. I stirred and stirred and stirred as much as I can. So you can look at this consistency. It looks like boo-boo. We're going to go in and pour these in. Of course, I'm going to make some messes. That's why you always do a little more in case you make messes. And I'll let that drain in there. For it to not be cooked. Before I put it in the microwave, I want to toss in my stuff. I want to clean up. I'm cleaning up. I'm tossing my stuff in the sink. And I want to just clean around this bowl because I wasted a little around here and at the bottom. And then we're going to go back to cleaning. We're going to pop this in the microwave. It said keep it in here. I want to make sure the rings, little rings around the roses on the track. I'm going to stick it in here. And I'm going to put it on wood. Oh, 6 minutes. 6 minutes, there we go. 6 minutes again, it's on. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Let me clean this up in case I need to use that spatula again, but I'm cleaning up the mess I made. I always clean up my mess. At least I try to. And every now and then I have time coming in and helping out. Every now and then. But I have to rewatch afterwards. So, as you can see, it's in the microwave. We're going to do a microwave watch. Countdown is 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Cut the light off. Right. He's cooking, but it's still got too much light. Here, on the mirror. It's a little clear out here. There, a little clear out. Yeah. Y'all see it cooking? 3 minutes. It's cooking. It's cooking. Y'all see how this chocolate melts around? Now, I always do the next prepackaged, but I never done it homemade. This is fine. Lightning matters. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. It hadn't bubbled over. There you go. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see the countdown. Countdown. 54, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 44. Whew, the countdown. I would have thought it would have been bubbling. Let me see if I know how to stir it or something like that. Smells kind of good. 24, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Let's go. Y'all know I got these cups. These mugs. I'm saying cups, but these mugs, right? Because they're more like to empower people. But this ain't Dollars Fan Expo. I don't know. Wild Bills. I don't even know what this is. Only my brother know. Whatever drink place is at, just this little mug. Now, mine is really a signature mug, but I only drink out of Jordan, and it's very rare. And it's just a regular prayer, the prayer of the Jezebels. I don't know, I never read it. But it's about Chronicles 4 and 10. And it's when I travel, I'm a mug collector. So I don't know if this cocoa gonna come out right. So let me see, y'all. It look kind of fuzzy, like, so that's why I got the spatula. Oh, it is hot cocoa, y'all. That's just the phase of the phone. Oh, wait. Look. It came out perfect. Oh, my. Oh, let me see. That cocoa. Pretty got it. 100%. Oh, no. I think I need to add a little sugar in there. I add the exact amount. You have to be a strong cocoa lover. And I'm a cocoa lover, but not like that. So I'm going to add a little more sugar. So it's okay to add a little more sugar. I don't like that. I like a sweet taste. Let me see if it makes it taste better. No, it's hot, so it's going to automatically melt. I don't like that. I like a cocoa taste. It tastes a little bit better. Yeah. We can take a little. I usually have because we like sweet cocoa. And what I'm gonna do is drop it back in there so it can melt the sugar. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna put a few more minutes on it. And I'm gonna put the sugar away. Nobody got nothing for you. Out, look at her. Got one more minute. Is this better to me? I don't know. I like chocolate, but I don't like chocolate like that. So I'm going to sweeten it up and give it a little bit more kick. My brother will be the judge of this to tell me if it tastes good or not. So I'm going to pour it up in his little mug. He'll be the first guinea pig of the day. Okay. I actually made it there a minute and 30 seconds extra to help dissolve.
Is that hot cocoa?
Yes. Come on, babe. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I follow the instructions.
Okay. It's bubbling. But it's not in the thing.
Yeah.
How's it bubbling if it's not?
It's foam. It's foam.
No, not that. It's all like a bubble.
Oh. I'm going to let baby guinea pig. Huh? I'm going to let baby guinea pig first.
No.
You might like, ooh. Let me know. I'll be back there. I'll bring your stuff with you. This is all my grandson wanted for breakfast is rice and eggs with salt and pepper on it. But he came and did the taste test and tasted the hot cocoa. He said it's delicious. So I'm going to pour him up some first. I thought I was going to do my brother's first. I'm not a great pourer. I should have poured it in the picture, but I didn't. It says for 4 people, but it ain't looking like it to me. But what you can do, you can add more milk to it to stretch it. Now, I do know that. So I'm going to go back there and give him his plate, and I'll be back soon. I added more milk to it. Because what has happened is the heat has evaporated most of the milk. So I'm giving it a good stir. Indeed, it's chocolate milk for real. That is delicious. So I'm going to give it a run because it's cold because I added the milk. But I'm going to sit it back in the microwave so I can pour my brother some up. Him and my grandson, believe it or not, it seemed like they eat like the same thing. Rice and eggs, really? That's what y'all wanted? Boiled eggs? Gotta make them happy. Someone poured up his cocoa. It's supposed to be for 4 people, but look like it's not. Okay. Gave my brother his plate. Gave my brother his plate. You know I'm always making mistakes. Clean up behind yourself. Clean, make sure the microwave clean. Put that over there, right behind it, and pour this up out. From the shell boiled eggs. Y'all know this is from Tim. They usually get this free, but I use it for my boiled eggs. Wipe my glass. Wipe the microwave out. Put the plate back on there. For next time in use. So hope you enjoyed. Always taste your product.